Hello friends, welcome to Vidyut Tech. This is Sai Prakash. In this video, you are going to learn important questions regarding SSC JEE Electrical. Friends, please do watch this video till the end, and if you came to my channel for the first time, please do subscribe to my channel. Friends, coming to this question, for this question they have given the circuit diagram and we have to find the number of nodes for this circuit. Friends, for this circuit they have given components like voltage source, resistance 1, resistance 2, resistance 3, resistance 4, resistance 5 and resistance 6. Before finding the number of nodes, we have to know what is node. So, I am writing down over here friends, node. Node is a point in a network where two or more elements are connected. Friends, for the better understanding, I am taking simple circuit diagram over here. Two resistors are connected in series and I am connecting voltage source over here across two series connection of resistances. Friends, over here you can see node is a point in a network, okay, where two or more elements are connected. Two or more elements. Friends, over here you can see this is a point, two elements are connected. This is a point where two elements are connected and this is a point where two elements are connected. So for this circuit we have three nodes, node 1, node 2 and node 3. Okay, let me take another example. I am taking parallel resistance over here. Okay, friends, if you check this circuit compared to the previous circuit, you can see there is no change in nodes. Okay, let me show you another. I am drawing two series resistance across this. Over here you can see another node. Okay, node 1, node 2, node 3 and node 4. Friends, coming to this problem, over here you can see components. Okay, I have told you earlier, this is voltage source V1, let me take. For finding the number of nodes, we don't have to know the value of the resistances and voltage source. Friends. Only we have to know the circuit diagram. Okay, friends, for this circuit, over here you can see two elements are connected. One is voltage source and another is resistance. For this circuit, over here you can see three elements are connected. R1, R3 and R4. So this is a node. Over here you can see two elements are connected, R3 and R5. This is a node. And over here, R6 and R5, two elements are connected. So this is a node. And coming to here, three elements are connected, R2, R6 and R5. So this is a node. Here V1, voltage source and resistance R2 are connected. So this is a node. So for the whole diagram, you have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 nodes. Number of nodes is equivalent to 6. Friends, for quiz regarding these problems, I would like to invite you to my website link in the description below. Please go through our website link in the description below. Friends, for this question we have to find the number of nodes. They have given the circuit diagram and over here you can see the components of the circuit diagram. Friends, as I told you earlier, you need not to know the values of components or elements like resistances, voltage source, inductors, current source, like that, to find the number of nodes. Friends, coming to the second question in this session, for this circuit diagram we have to find the number of nodes, friends. Okay, they have given this circuit diagram. Over here you can see components like resistor 1, let me take the indications over here, R1, resistance 2 R2, resistance 3 R3, and the voltage source they have given, I am taking that as Vs, as I am having only one voltage source. And over here I am taking R4 and R5 resistance current source, I am taking as Is. You can represent as your wish, friends. I am taking inductor over here as Ls. Okay, or L. Simply you can take as L. Friends, I already told you earlier, node is a point where two or more elements connected in a network. Okay, over here you can see element 1 and element 2 and element 3. So, this is a node. Here you can see two elements are connected. One is the voltage source and another is a resistance R3. So, this is a node. Here you can see three elements are connected. Inductor, voltage source and current source. So, this is a node. In between these two, this is a node, friends. R4 and L is connected over here. So, this is a node. If you see over here, this is a node, friends. R5 and Is are connected. Resistance R5 and current source Is are connected. So, that is a node. Over here you can see three elements are connected. R2, R5, R4. So, this is a node. Friends, if we count the number of nodes, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. The total number of nodes is of 6. So, number of nodes equivalent to 6. Friends, for the quiz I would like to invite you to my website link in the description below. Please go through our website link in the description below, friends. Friends, if you have any doubts regarding these problems, please comment in the comment box or you can use the group link in the description. If you have any feedback, please let me know, friends, so that we will come up with the videos. If you like the video, please do like, share and comment for the video and subscribe to our channel and click on bell icon for more updates. Thank you for watching the video, friends.